Guests were appalled by the drunken staff who allegedly caused damage in the lobby during the stopover in Nairobi, Kenya. .3 BA cabin crew have been sacked over a raucous booze up at a posh hotel. Guests were appalled by the drunken staff who allegedly caused damage in the lobby during the stopover in Nairobi, Kenya. Kenya. 3 BA staff were fired after boozy hotel bash management complained to the airline, which axed the trio. It follows other complaints about BA crew boozing at the 4-star Ole Sereni, said to have a reputation as a lively destination for its workers. Airline bosses have previously had to warn crew they were risking their jobs by drinking heavily between flights. A BA insider said, "Many staff regard overnight stopovers as a party.MOST read in news appalling and CALLOUS drivers in M5 tailback abuse man threatening to jump off bridge rockers hospital - Chris Ray pictured on stage moments before collapsing during gig. Deadly mix rapper Lil Peep was killed by an accidental overdose of fentanyl and Xanax. Sex beast husband woman told husband she'd been raped on night out, but DNA proved he did it. Singer Death Brit singer 32, found dead in Qatar hotel room after benefits were stopped. Heartbroken dad hits out cleaner who called 999 did more for my anorexic daughter than NHS. This was one session that got out of hand. Close quote. BA said, "We will always take appropriate action if a staff member's behaviour falls below the exceptionally high standards of professionalism we expect."